Hi, welcome to the Andrew Buckle video tutorial on patterns and creating a seamless pattern very quickly from an image. So how to do that. Now I'm using 221, but you can do the same doing 219, 218, etc. No different really. So first thing to do, go to layers and make certain it's not locked. If you can't find that, go to window and layers, and also properties are pretty useful as well. So you've got this image here. This is obviously a church in my hometown of Maidstone. And I'm just going to resize it now. What you can do, go to edit and go down to transform and scale. Once you've done that, you can see up here you've got width and height. What you need to do is set it not to 25%, quite often I do it to 25%. I don't want that, I want 50 because I want it to be halved in size. So 50 and 50, and again that means it's going to be 900 by 900. Press return. Now what you can do, view, and this is useful, is snap. Make certain the snap is on, the snap to guides, layers and documents. That's always a very handy thing to have on. Actually, earlier I didn't have it on, and I was suddenly thinking why it doesn't seem to snap anymore. So it does some tutorial, so you can see it now when I drag it across. Now if you don't want to do that, you can also just set it over here. Just set the X and the Y to 0. Just makes it simple as well. So you've got your design there. And what you want is it to be placed in all these corners. So hold down the Alt or Option key, which you can find on your keyboard, normally next to Command or Control. It could be anywhere. I've had it on different places on my keyboard over the years. So hold down the Alt or Option key, and you can see then you've got a copy there. Hold down the Alt or Option key and drag over there. Snap to again. It's all snapping nicely. That's the nice thing about snap. And you can see you've got these guides there. So it's all that. Now what you need to do is flip all these things, and you can do that via the edit menu and just go down to transform and go down to horizontal, flip horizontal. So you can see now you've got a nice sort of design there. It sort of matches both sides, matches, obviously doesn't yet because I've got to go down to here. Now I want the same one down here to be flipped horizontally as well. So down to there, flip horizontal, so that matches that one. But what you want is the bottom two to be, so you can quickly go to edit, whoops, go too far, transform and flip vertical. And now of course finish off, edit, and again transform, flip vertical. Now you could of course create a quick action to do the same, so that would make it even faster, so you could do it with any image very quickly, but you can obviously do it very quickly. You've got this design now. So as a pattern, I'm just going to flatten it now, so layer menu and flatten. So then just go to edit and define pattern, click OK, and now you can just go to, I'm going to go show it's much easier, go to a layer, a new fill layer and pattern. With that, click OK. Always defaults to this wonderful, don't know why that does that. You think it would use the last pattern that you created. Would be really, I mean, I've just defined it. You'd think, you know what, maybe that's the one I want to use. Possibly. Randomly, weird idea that would be. However, it doesn't, it defaults to the leaves. So now what you can do, you can set it to 25 or whatever. Oh, that's the angle. Well, you can see the angle is quite as useful as well. I would have done, I must admit, I would have put the scale above, and the logic of that is, but you can set the scale to 20 and you can see your design there now. Nice seamless design, and you of course can set it to 70 or something else. Again, do it the wrong one. 70 and 70, why not? Let's go for throw caution to win. So you've got that, and you can of course move that around. You can see it's a nice seamless design, and the same can be done of course with any image as well. And once you're happy with that, click OK, and you can do also the same in the edit menu and fill there as well. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Always adding new tutorials all the time, every day or so, on Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. Also, please subscribe to Graphic Extras channel, and also any comments, please let me know. Always, what have I done wrong, what I've done right. You know, it's always nice to notice there's a little there, but that was actually in the image. So if you unfortunately got something in the image that's at the edge of the thing, you might like to just quickly try and remove that from the pattern before you do it. Otherwise, you're going to see this weird sort of little design there, which was in the original image. Also, a dislike or like. Always appreciated. Thank you much.